This is a line bank for bridge control panel. After the control panel mounted, shipyard crew need to connect external lines to this line bank as per this part in wire diagram. Please refer to line number. This is a line bank for alarm panel. Similarly, ship crew need to connect external lines to this line bank as per this part in the wire diagram. Before engage or disengage clutch, press the auto clutch button. Only if button light on, then push up handle until diesel engine engage automatically. Press the auto clutch button again to disengage clutch at once in emergency condition. Let us show you how to control steering direction and speed by handle. Operate the handle like this, and the rudder angle shown in the meter changes in the same time. It indicates current rudder angle of a propeller. If the handle cannot control rudder angle, switch to emergency control mode like this. Then control rudder angle like this. Okay, switch back to normal mode. Push up handle slowly like this. Then accelerator is speeding up gradually until clutch engage automatically. Push down handle slowly like this. Accelerator is speeding down gradually until clutch disengage automatically. If the handle cannot control steering speed, switch to emergency control mode like this. Then control rotate speed, engagement, and disengagement of diesel engine like this. Okay, switch back to normal mode. Now I'll show you how to control rudder propeller by local control panel. Switch to local control mode like this. The two buttons are used to control steering in emergency condition.